Hi and welcome to the Wet Shave Cave. This is another mail call unboxing, so let's get right to it. This is from Yucky South Africa, Master Soap Creations. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, this is one of the new soaps. It's a collaboration with the razor company called Light Blue. Fantastic. Look at the artwork done by Stef Potgieter. Isn't that fantastic? Let's see what we else have in here. Okay, let's see. Open this up. You can hear the traffic there. So I think this is going to be the matching aftershave splash. Let's check. Well done on the wrapping, Fernando. This is very well protected, definitely. There we go. Just open that up. And look at that. I really want to smell this. Maybe just give it a shake first. Ooh, that smells nice. Oh, wow. This smells fantastic. Very refreshing, clean scent. What else do we have here? Ah, another fantastic pole position shaving soap. I think this is the one with the new formula. I have the previous old formula, so I'm excited to compare those two. So thank you for this, Fernando. Very nice of you to send me an extra one. Right, and this is actually what I'm waiting for. Let's have a look what we have here. Let's see. Okay, it's a glass bottle. Ooh, look at that. This is great. And the scent on this is from Night on the Town. This is an EDP, I think. EDP. Oh, wow. From Night on the Town, which is a homage to the Le Mail scent. Wow, Fernando, this smells fantastic. I'm super excited to use this actually. I think I'm going to use it tonight. Definitely when I go out to a function. Oh, the scent is fantastic. I actually smelled this, but there's nothing there because the lid was on. Oh, this is great. Fernando, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. So all of you who are watching, Master Soap Creations or Yucky South Africa.
A few moments later.
Right, sorry for that. There was someone at the door, so I had to quickly stop the video. But as I was saying, Yucky South Africa, if the traffic can give me a chance to speak, Yucky South Africa is having a special May Madness. So if you would like 20% off your purchases from Yucky South Africa, use the promo code May Madness to get a 20% discount. Oh, I'm out of breath, so sorry for that. But anyway, that's my mail call for today, which is very exciting. I really would like to try that light blue soap from the collaboration from Master Soap Creations and the Razor Company. That's epic. But yes, have a fantastic day. And my giveaway announcement, the winner announcement, will happen this week. So stay tuned on the channel to see who won my giveaway. So thank you for watching. Having a wonderful day. Please like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye bye.